Siyawabonga amazulu. Yes. Siyawabonga amazulu. Amadlozi wethu. The star seed people. Siyababonga. Blessings to the ancestors of the Japanese people. Yes. Blessings, 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 blessings. Blessings to the people of the ancient ones of the Americas. Blessings, 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 blessings. Oh! Siyabonga. Siyabonga. Blessings, 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 blessings. Oh! To the ancient ones of the Europeans. Life is good as you. Life is good as me. It's a good day to be alive. Move your body. Ooh. Come, child. Yes. Blessings to Mother Earth. Thank you for this life experience. Thank you for this playground. Thank you for this beautiful adventure on planet Earth. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you, Father Sky, for calling us up higher and never letting us to settle in mediocrity. Thank you, Father Sky. Grandfather Sun, thank you, thank you, thank you for the blessings of a billion suns. Oh, thank you, Grandfather Sun. Oh, Siyabonga. Siyabonga, Grandfather Sun. Thank you, Grandmother Moon, for calling us up higher when we are lost in confusion, in darkness, in anger, in rage. Oh, Grandmother Moon, thank you for guiding our mind, helping us make right decisions, think through everything we're doing, remain in mindfulness, where our emotions are brought into balance. Equanimity. I need you. This too shall pass. Yes. Yes. Calling upon the law that protects life on planet Earth. There is a law. There is a law. We are now aligning with this law. Yes. Ancient ones of Africa. Remind us how to align with the science, with the laws, with the quantum physical laws of life. Remind us. Yes, group. Okay, I'm on the road now. But first, I always like to check my scooter. Anytime I go out, I just need to really check my scooter. I think it's so important to check your scooter. Especially when you're driving on these roads. These roads can be really hella something. So what I do is I usually check my scooter, and sometimes I stop at the tire repair place to just have them fill the scooter up with air, and then stop for gas and say hello to the neighbors. You know, everybody. I have so many papas, I have so many mamas, I have so many sisters, I have so many brothers in the village. This is village life. Every morning you have to get up and say hello to everybody. And everybody will ask, where are you going? What are you going to do? And when are you going to come back? It's so nice to have like, okay, sometimes it's kind of like nosy and stuff like this. But like this is kind of like Africa. It's kind of like Africa. In Africa, when you go out, all the aunties and the mothers and the aunties and the fathers, where are you going? We are happy. Meaning, where are you going? What are you going to go do there? When are you going to come back? I think it's because people care. You know, people care for each other. And before we had cell phones and text messages and Facebook stuff, we used to be able to know where somebody's going and then pray for them so that they're safe, you know. And now with phones, nobody But I love that in the Thai culture, they still keep that going, like in Africa. Yeah, P, where are you going? Okay, so let's check the tires. I know I need to do the tires, but so we're gonna stop at the tire place, but we're also gonna stop at my dad's, Papa, for gas. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so I think I need to. I'm just gonna stop and check the tires and see. So I got a new scooter. Yeah. So I put all of my stuff in here, my bag. And now I'm driving an orange scooter. It's a rental. It's a rental. So especially when you're driving rentals, you don't know who was on the scooter before and what kind of energy they are channeling. I'm telling you, people are so stressed out. Oh, like this maybe. People are so stressed out and so anxious and so angry and their energy affects the energy of the vehicle that you're driving. Or like, that's why when you buy secondhand cars in Thailand, even when you buy secondhand cars, you take them to the monks, and the monks pray for your car. You must like connect with these laws so you're protected, especially when you're driving a rental, because you don't know how crazy somebody's energy was as they were driving that rental. So you want to make sure that you just be protected yourself, so that your energy can be the protection for even the vehicle, the motorcycle, whatever you're driving. Okay, so now we're going to get on the road. Let's do this. Amazu. Remind us that we are protected. Neptet, Vigiligas. Yo, Vigiligas. Siabo. Segment. Siabo. Savannah visionary, yes. So, yes. This is how we roll in our global African village. Yes. We are the presence of love. We affirm that everywhere our feet touched, the earth is blessed. Yes. You are the blessings that your ancestors have prayed for, eternity after eternity. You are the face of love. You are the chosen one. Yes. Your energy shifts the consciousness of humanity. You are the chosen one to change the course of human history. With your thoughts, with your words, with your behaviors, you are the chosen one. Call forth peace on planet Earth. Call forth divine right action. Call forth inspired creative action. Call forth peace and happiness for all beings on planet Earth. Yes. Oh, Vigiligas, Neptet. Yes. Aligning with the law of the praying mantis. Yes, 360 vision. Yes, in this moment, there is a law. And this law, we call upon it. We align with it. The law, the wisdom, the intelligence of the praying mantis. The praying mantis has 360 view. It can see everything. In this moment, whatever blocks your sight is dissolved into the nothingness in which it is. Dissolved. Kalima, burn. Kalima, burn. Segment. Yes, destroy the confusion, the hatred, the anger, the rage that lives in us, that causes us to engage in reckless driving. Oh, we surrender to the gods and the goddesses of love, of creativity, of joy. Oh, visionary. Sometimes, when you're driving, you get to a stop and you realize, oh my goodness, the electricity is not working. The robots are not working. The traffic lights are not working. The traffic is going really fast. That's when I call upon the love, the wisdom, the intelligence of the praying mantis. Yes, lead the way. Oh yes, may my eyesight be connected with the love, the intelligence, the divine inspiration, the divine love, the divine protection. Neptet, yes, in this moment. Protect my consciousness as I drive. Protect the consciousness of all beings on planet Earth. Yes. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be liberated from all ignorance. May I be liberated from all suffering. May I be happy. Yes. May I be peaceful. May I be liberated from all ignorance. May I be liberated from all suffering. Yes. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. May all beings be liberated from all ignorance. May all beings be liberated from all suffering. Yes, may all beings be liberated. May all beings be liberated from all ignorance. May all beings be liberated from all suffering. Yes, yes, may all beings be liberated from all ignorance and suffering. Blessings to the spirit of the waters that cleanses our body temples, that cleanses our electromagnetic fields, brings us back into wholeness, freshness. Yes, peace of mind, peace of spirit, connected. Concentric circles of light, of love. Yes, connected, calling upon the law. Oh, the law that protects life on planet Earth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Siyabong. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Kapunaka, kapunaka, kapunaka. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. The ancestors, the ancient ones of this land, thank you for your guidance and your protection. Calling upon the spirit of the fires, blessings, blessings, blessings. Calling upon the spirit of the air. Take this word into the highest realms of consciousness where it may be heard. Yes, blessings to all beings on planet Earth. Drivers on the road, always in a hurry. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you for cutting you off. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you for cutting you off. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. Visionary, when you cut somebody off or when somebody cuts you off, it doesn't matter who did it first. It doesn't matter if you were right or you were wrong. In that moment, there was a little bit of friction, a little bit of tension. Just release a word of love. Release the vibration of forgiveness or compassion for the ignorance that we feel and do to each other on the road. Oh, blessings, 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 activating the law of renewal. The law of renewal. Shed your skin for all those that have been hurt on the road. Oh, the law of the cobra. Let you be healed, the black cobra. Healing. Healing is your divine inheritance. Oh, human beings, let us be sane on the road. I call forth sanity for all beings on the road. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. All beings on planet Earth, be happy. All beings on planet Earth, be peaceful. All beings on planet Earth, be liberated from all ignorance. All beings on planet Earth, be liberated from all suffering, animate and inanimate, including myself. This word is spoken from the highest vibration above 7th plane consciousness. Yes, up, higher, move, 21, 21, 21, up, higher. Thank you. Vilima. Kosasa. Nomkulwa. Siabo. 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 For the sacred wisdom. Thank you for allowing our bodies, our minds, our souls to be connected to the purpose of love. Love reigns supreme. Love helps us heal from our angers and our frustrations. Love helps us restore our minds and bring our hearts back to balance. Thank you, Siyabonga, for this wisdom. Siyabo. Togos, togos, togos. Sa. Do, Sa, do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Arigato, arigato, arigato. And so it is. Sawadika, Mama. Sawadimai. Ka. Sawadika, Sisi. Please, can I have chalk, Mama? For white. You want me to get? You want me to go? Okay, kapong ka, Mama. May I please have plastic? Plastic? Yes, please. Kapon na ka. Thank you, thank you. How much is this, Mama? $99. 99 baht. Okay. Bye-bye.